gonna last, so but now I got a new one. Same old song, but now it's got a new drum. A better man, and better yet, I got a better plan to stack up on this cheddar, hopefully watch the shed expand. But who knows how far we gon' make it. With a pen pad and a mic, we gon' break shit. After parties, kick it in the bed, we just lay it. But who am I kidding? It's our dreams that we chasing. Trying to make it through this everyday struggle. Blood, sweat, tears, believe me, I've had a bus full. My mind's going crazy, gotta kick back and unload. Chilling with my homies, going super to some dumb flows. Run around and get your damn tongue pulled, but I'ma keep repping my city till the sun folds. And it just goes on for days, and hopefully you'll be amazed by these tracks that we play. And I'll just be sipping on the Arizona iced tea. So if you like me, don't step up on my Nikes. You can get down to these flows that we speaking. They tell me to stop, but that's just wishful thinking.